The Agilent U1270 series DMMs are engineered to give you the broadest functionality and protection required in an industrial environment. These handheld multimeters allow technicians to efficiently perform their daily tasks in industrial environments such as manufacturing plants and assembly lines. This application video will demonstrate 3 of the Agilent U1270 series main functions: Low-Pass Filter, Z-Low and Smart Ohm. Low-Pass Filter. To maintain the efficiency and productivity of a motor-driven system, technicians often perform routine servicing and repairs on the motors and on the variable frequency drive or VFD. The VFD is especially important because it controls the electrical motor's speed by regulating the frequency of electrical power supplied. Here you can see the reading on the VFD display. A maintenance check may reveal that the VFD's actual output voltage, current and frequency differ from the readings on the VFD display. This difference could be due to unwanted high-frequency components generated by the VFD. The U1270 series handheld offers a 1 kHz low-pass filter to eliminate unwanted high-frequency components, allowing technicians to accurately measure VFD output. Low Impedance Mode, Z-Low. Electrical conduit is commonly found in many buildings. They protect enclosed conductors from moisture, chemical vapors and impact. Although the conduit is safe and convenient, high-input impedance multimeters can pick up stray voltages on unused wires that run parallel with energized wiring. As you can see, we currently detect a voltage reading on the unused wires. The Agilent U1270A is a dual impedance handheld digital multimeter and offers both high and low input impedance modes. The low impedance mode or Z-Low will eliminate false stray voltage readings in non-energized wiring. The DMM now shows the accurate voltage measurement. Smart Ohm. Ground continuity. In semiconductor manufacturing, ICs under test are exposed to electrostatic discharge due to constant metal-to-metal contact in the IC tester. Technicians who perform weekly checks between the tester's grounding and common ground may find inaccurate ground resistance measurements due to leakage current in the test system. The U1270A's Smart Ohm function is capable of providing accurate ground resistance measurement despite the presence of leakage current. Leakage current. For the detection of leakage current in a printed circuit board, the Smart Ohm function also eases the engineer's job of measuring the leakage current in the circuit. This reading is shown on the U1270A's secondary display. With these smart features, the Agilent U1270 series allows technicians of any skill level to easily troubleshoot all types of electrical installations in industrial settings. Adapt to a wide variety of troubleshooting challenges. Choose the Agilent U1270 series for your next purchase.